I have here a small table that I want to go ahead and chart the data from. I need to chart the sales for all 4 quarters from my 5 different stores. So I'm going to begin by selecting the data I want to chart. I will select my column headers here because they will be the names of my series in my legend, and I will go ahead and select the data that I want, the figures here. Now I'm not going to choose the totals because that kind of skews everything in the chart, because it's a chart of the data, not necessarily a chart of the totals. Alright, next I'm going to go to my Insert tab up here on my ribbon, and you'll see right in the middle a big section called Charts. These are the different kind of charts that I can create, and I'm going to start with a column chart. Let's go ahead, let's have some fun. Let's go with a 3D clustered column chart, always one of my favorites. I'm going to click on that, and well, there it is. That's how easy it was to create that chart. I'll move it over here so we can see it a little bit better. And see, there is my legend, and this is for the first store, the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Excuse me, not the 6th store. There's only 5 stores. And it's charting that data. Now, what I want to do though is I want to put this chart on its own separate worksheet. And I don't have to copy and paste. I don't do anything crazy. It's very simple. I'm going to go up here. You'll see I have my chart tools now because my chart is selected. If I click out here, they disappear. I have to click on that chart, make sure it's selected, and I'll get my chart tools. On the Design tab, over to the right, you will see Move Chart. And when I select that, I get this window, and it will allow me to put that chart on a new sheet, and I can call it whatever I want. And I'm fine with it being Chart 1 for right now, and I will choose OK, and look at that. There's my chart on its own separate worksheet. See that? It added that sheet. Here's sheet 1. That's my table, and there's my chart. I can go ahead and change the chart type. I'm still on my Design tab. I'll click over here on my Change Chart Type, and we will see these options again. I can do a 2-dimensional column if I want. That's not nearly as much fun, is it? Actually, let's try cylinders. That's kind of fun. How about cones? Oh, that looks a little weird. This one is one of my favorites over here. It gets a little hard, especially you can see some of the shorter columns in the back, but it's fun for some things. I can also scroll down here and change to a bar chart if I want. And of course, 3-dimensional bar chart. All kinds of different charts, pie charts, some more obscure ones over here, some that aren't used quite as much, and they have very specific uses for them. I can also go ahead and change my chart style, and this is just a basic formatting thing. You see, this is the one by default. I can pick different color schemes if I want. I can make them black and white and grays. I can even have a nice black background. But I like, what's this one? Ooh, yeah, see, I don't like that one. Let's just do this one. And there you go. That's how easy it is to create a chart.
Thanks for watching. For more great Microsoft Office tutorials, subscribe to TrainSignal's YouTube channel, TrainSignal Office. Or you can visit www.trainsignal.com for more information regarding our complete Microsoft Office training library.